Okay.
I'm here with Julian Smart. Now, you had a winners today. Can you talk us through the horses and your strategy for today?
We had a good day last year, and we've had another good day this year. So we've won 2 Group 1s. And we won the 3rd race on the card, which was nice to win because it was a little horse called Rathawan who hasn't been able to win a race since he broke his maiden, but I've been running him in some quite difficult races. So
can you tell us a little bit about him?
he ran a lovely race today. I was happy for him. Great for Richard Mullin to ride a winner for me as well on a day like today. But
I know it's not the best day, but it's a good result for you anyway.
It's a real shame that the weather has not cooperated, you know. But look,
horses have, so
the horses have run good. In general, they've run good. I was very happy to win the Hatter this year, the filly race, because I got beaten in it last year. I haven't won it, so
you've come back to.
So I'm happy for that. It's been a fairly good day.
And what's your sort of plans for the future?
We now will give them a few days off. We will pack them up the week after next, and we will be off to the Arc de Triomphe meeting in France.
Any tips for us?
Yeah, keep your money in your pocket.
Thanks very much, Julian.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay.